What up, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video. It's Cappuccino Garage and hope you guys are having a great day. And quick little update from last time that I took the bug to the track. I started getting a lot of blow by. Turbo went out, the turbo oil seals went out, and so I'm assuming that probably a big factor has to do with I don't know, maybe the oil blowing inside the carburetor mixing up with the gas. I don't know, maybe the one of the oil rings, one of the piston rings went out. I'm not sure which one would have gotten out, but I don't care. I'm gonna go with the larger piston size, or maybe go with the Subaru swap. We'll see, just depending what the cost looks like. So I got my oil catch can here. Cheap eBay. I spent probably about like $16, I believe. I'll leave the link down in the description. Normally oil breather boxes, they're like about higher than $60, I believe, on these bikes. And the ones I've seen, they mount right here on the oil filler, and there's some that mount on the firewall, but they're all pretty expensive. I'm not looking to spend a lot of money, so I went with the cheap eBay oil catch can. So what I'm gonna do, I already have everything installed. I'm just gonna make this line shorter because it's too long. So I'm gonna make it shorter, and let's see where I can mount it. Maybe right there would look good. But then again, I kind of like it right here on the right side. Probably for right now, I'll just leave it right there, and just leave a long enough hose to just get to that point. And this blue one that came with the catch can, I'm gonna run it inside here. So yeah, I'm gonna run this line to the turbo. This one right here that came with the oil catch can, this one's not as good, but I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. Until then, I'll probably get another hose, or maybe with what I cut off, I'll probably end up using that. Alright guys, so I have it on. I just have to mount the bracket somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it. I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. Gonna put something right here, probably a nipple or something, so I can feed it in there, just like that. That's the oil catch can install for right now, because I still need to figure out where I'm gonna mount it. And so yeah, I mean, 17 bucks. Hopefully this helps out. This hose is not good for this because it'll get hot and probably stretch out. So I'm gonna put that out. I did order a brand new turbo, eBay KO4. Let's see how that one works out, so I'll make a separate video for that. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. The oil catch can in there. It's not fully fitted right. I still gotta remove this turbo, put the new turbo on. I should get it tomorrow on Monday, so that's how it's gonna be. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little catch can install. Not much of a, didn't show you guys how to do it because you guys have different cars. And so this is for a VW Bug. Anyways, that'll be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good one. Peace.